Hello friends, Namaskar. I am Renu and this is computer tutorial for class 7. So let's see what all new concepts you can learn today. Today in number system the topic is octal number to hexadecimal number conversion. As you know that for octal number we have 8 digits, so the base is 8, and for hexadecimal number how many digits are there? 16 digits are there, so the base will be 16. So let us go one by one and read the rules. So for the conversion, first we have to convert the octal number into its binary equivalent. So first, whatever given octal number is there, it has to be converted into binary equivalent. We cannot directly convert octal to hexadecimal. First octal to binary conversion has to be done. Then convert the binary number to its hexadecimal equivalent. The conversion is octal to binary and then binary to hexadecimal equivalent, and here also we have to form pair of 4 digits. When we will be grouping, then pair of 4 digits has to be formed. So let's check out one question for the better understanding. So here as you can see, the question is convert 345 to the base 8, that is, this is a octal number, to its hexadecimal equivalent. So here as you can see, octal number is 345. Now to convert it into binary equivalent, are you aware of the table, conversion table, which I had provided you earlier? If yes, well and good. If not, today again I will show you and you can just note it down in your copy. So here is the conversion table from octal to binary conversion. So as you can see, numbers are written here. In octal we have only 0 to 7 digits, so total are 8. And their binary conversion will be like for 1 the binary conversion is 001, for 2 it is 010, for 3 it is 011. So likewise you can just note it down in a copy. And if you ask me about how the conversion has been done, so for that one you can check out the previous video where it has been shown how to convert the numbers to binary, that is decimal number to binary, how that conversion can be done. The rule says that number has to be divided by 2, then write the quotient below, remainder on the right side. You remember, na? I hope you do remember, or if not then you can just check out. Okay, so after noting down the conversion table, now as you can see from your table that the equivalent of 3 is 011, the equivalent of 4 is 100, equivalent of 5 is 101. So now you can combine it, and as you can see 0, I have written it here with the base 2, that means this is the same number. So 011011, then here 1, then 00, so 00, then 101, so last is 101. Now half work is done. In the later half part, what has to be done? Binary has to be converted into hexadecimal. So how you can do that? First you have to frame, or you can say you can make groups of 4 bits each. So here as you can group it, you will start from right side, 1010, this is first group, then 0111 second group, and here it is only single 0 in this group. So if you want to form a group of 4 bits, what can be done? Add 3 zeros. This group was already having 1 0, so on the left side we can add 3 zeros, and since it will not change the value, now what has to be done? These binary digits have to be converted into hexadecimal number system. And if you remember the hexadecimal conversion table, the equivalent of 0101 was 5, equivalent of 1110 is E, and E is equal to 14, F is equal to 15, and 000 is 0. If you want, you can see the conversion table also. So here is the conversion table of hexadecimal number system. For 1 the equivalent is 0001, for 2 it is 0010, for 3 0011, for 5 0101, that we had written in the answer also, you remember, na? Then from 0 to 7 has been given here, and from 8 to 15 has been given here, and in hexadecimal number system 10 is written as A, 11 is written as B, and so on. We can go till 15, which is equal to F. And why not beyond that one? Because hexadecimal number system has only 16 digits, so these are the only digits in that conversion table. Please note it down in a copy if you had not done it earlier. So now you got it, now how we come up with 0 and E and 5. So we just combine it and then we will get our answer. So the final answer will be E5 to the base 16, that is, it is a hexadecimal number system, and these zeros, since these are on the left side, so these can be skipped. So only E5 has to be written. Now moving on to one more conversion, which is hexadecimal number to octal number conversion. So let's see what are the rules. First step is convert the hexadecimal to binary, and the second one is convert the binary to its octal. Just the previous one which we have seen earlier. But here if you are converting it into octal, so this time the single group will have how many bits? We will form a pair of 3 bits. Understood? So let me show you. So here is the example. Convert hexadecimal B5A to the base 16. That means this number is a what? Hexadecimal number to its octal equivalent. So the answer is hexadecimal number. First you will write B5A. Now from the conversion table, this hexadecimal will be converted into binary number system, and you had already noted it down, the conversion table. So from there B, which will be equivalent to what? It will be 10, because A is 9, B will be 10. So the value will be 1011. For 5, the binary equivalent will be 0101. For A, which is equal to 10, binary equivalent will be 1010. Next, what we have to do? We will just combine all these. Can you see? 1 0, then double 1, so double 1, then 0 1 0 1, then this one has been written 0 1 0. So this is a binary equivalent. Now what needs to be done? Binary has to be converted to octal. So first we will frame a group of 3 pairs. So here 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 1, 1 0 1. So from the conversion table, if you check it out, you will see that 101 is equivalent to 5. Here 101 again 5. 011 3. 010 will be equal to 2. So after combining these number 5 5 3 2. So this is the equivalent, octal equivalent for the hexadecimal number B5A. With this one, I come to the end of this session. Please watch it again if you could not understand the rules and the example in one go. Pause the screen, try to understand, write it in your copy, and practice also. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.